Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Priya Vikram. After a long time I'm posting this video. In this video y'all can see some glimpse of my birthday celebration. Good morning. Today is my birthday and happy birthday to me. And now I'm going to start my walk. I had my tea and I'm waiting for my friend, so we both are going to walk as usual. This is how my day is starting today, so let's see. My friends bought me this yummy cheesecake for my birthday as a surprise, and here you go. I'm all set to cut the cake, and I invited 5 of my friends who are staying near to my house and close to my heart as well. Because of the situation I could not invite more, and the highlight is this Dindigul biryani, which you must try, and you can get it from Madha Cuisine. I will provide the link below. And here you go, my friends are enjoying the yummy biryani. If you are in Singapore, definitely you must try. This is authentic taste of Dindigul biryani. My husband is from Dindigul, so we know the taste well. And a few more pictures of kids enjoying the biryani as well. This beautiful saree I purchased from RK Collections. So for morning I wore this saree. When you wear saree, few pictures are must. So here you go, few pictures. These pictures are taken by my friend Selvi. Two of my blessings, Dhyan and Diksha here. Birthday auntie with lovely kids. This is one of my favorite picture and pose. This is not a candid but on purpose. Yes, whenever I wear saree, I make sure I will take one picture in this particular pose. I don't know why, but I love this pose. Morning celebration over and evening time is for family. Yes, I got ready in this beautiful soft silk sarees which I purchased from Prashanti Silks, and the blouse got stitched from Mahisha collection in Theka Mall. And we all went to temple and then had dinner at Pizza Hut, and then we reached home back. Here's my husband. The special part and the blessing is whole day I was very happy, and to make the day more special I got these beautiful earrings as my birthday gift. Of course it's chosen by me only. Overall I had a wonderful and happy and blessed birthday this year. This year 2020 I turned officially 39 years old. This COVID is keeping everyone under stress, but find a way to be happy. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay safe. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next interesting video. Till then, bye from Priya.